There's a domain of developmental psychology called theory of mind, which involves basically asking, how do we develop an understanding of other minds? How do we come to understand other people's thoughts, their relationship between their thoughts and their behaviors?
If you both want to do different things, what could you do?
How we reason about other minds in the world.
Peekaboo!
We began addressing some of these questions with infants.
In this study, parents bring their 6-month-olds into the lab.
At the other side of a long table is a hill stage. A red circle guy with googly eyes tries to climb the hill. He sort of goes up the hill and then falls back down. He always fails at it. Then a blue square character, also with googly eyes, comes from the bottom of the hill and bumps him up to the top of the hill so that he's successful. On different trials, the climber tries again to get to the top of the hill, and then a yellow triangle character comes down from the top and bumps him to the bottom of the hill, so prevents him from getting his goal. Babies see this a number of times until they get nice and bored with it. So we stop and basically do a choice measure. The moms are asked to close their eyes. An experimenter who did not see which character was which brings over the two characters to the babies and just sees which character the baby touches first.
Which one do you want?
We found that, impressively actually, almost 100% of babies preferred the more positive character.
What do you want?
Okay.
They seem to have an attraction to helpful, pro-social individuals and also a real aversion to antisocial, unhelpful individuals. Babies are fascinated by the social world.
Hey, buddy. Hey, Holland. Oh.
Young babies are all about entering the social world, making connections with different social individuals, looking at the interconnections between different social individuals and figuring out what that means. So I think these studies very nicely show how babies are evaluating individuals out in the world and how babies themselves are developing attitudes towards different individuals.